Can I explain to you how RetroFoam is installed in a home with brick exterior in just 30 seconds? I'm not one to gamble, but I got 5 on it. A member of the RetroFoam install crew is going to go around and drill holes into the mortar. It's a 5/8 inch hole that they drill at the top, middle, and bottom of each stud cavity to ensure that the cavity is completely filled with the injection foam. Once the foam has been injected, another crew member will follow along and fill those holes with mortar and clean up the exterior of the home. There's no need to tear out brick or cause any kind of huge mess. You're just left with a more comfortable and energy efficient home. Cha-ching! Somebody owes me some money. Never bet against the nerdy girl. Now that you know how RetroFoam is installed in a home with a brick exterior, you might be ready to add it to your home. If that's the case, check out our dealer finder. There you're going to find our network of RetroFoam dealers across the country and hopefully in your neck of the woods. I'm your building science brainiac reminding you to bring a little science to every project.